Hi, I'm Alicia Dotson, I'm a creative team member for Alterna Education, and today I will be taking you through the Caviar Anti-Aging Multiplying Volume collection. The Multiplying Volume collection is for fine to medium hair types, and it's designed to add three-dimensional volume of fullness, thickness, and lift. This collection is also formulated with Alterna's Age Control Complex, Sea Silk, and enzyme therapy, as well as a marine plumping complex. The fragrance is green tea and bergamot. The marine plumping complex is a blend of naturally volumizing extracts, and it's designed to thicken hair both instantly and over time. Sea Kelp is going to create a lightweight wrap around each strand to plump and retain moisture. Keratin, Panthenol, and Biotin is going to fortify and strengthen the natural structure of the hair strand. The Caviar Anti-Aging Multiplying Volume Shampoo and Conditioner are a gentle, daily, volumizing, cleansing, and conditioning system that boosts the hair's fullness and volume while retaining moisture. This lightweight duo is going to gently cleanse and condition without adding SLS, SLES, sulfates, or parabens. It's also going to leave your hair looking and feeling healthy with an abundance of volume. It helps the hair retain moisture, and it's proven to instantly deliver more fullness and volume. To use, wet hair thoroughly. Starting with Multiplying Volume shampoo, pour a small amount of shampoo into palm and emulsify to a rich foam. Apply to scalp and massage through hair strands. Then you're going to follow with the Multiplying Volume conditioner. Remove excess water from hair. Apply a small amount of conditioner to the hands, emulsify, and apply to hair from mid-lengths to ends. Rinse thoroughly. The Multiplying Volume Styling Mousse is a lightweight styling mousse that thickens and strengthens the hair. This easy-to-use mousse adds volume and lift without a sticky, stiff finish. It also leaves the hair looking and feeling healthy and adding instant volume. To use, shake well. Apply an egg-size amount to damp hair from roots to mid-lengths. Style as usual. Finally, we have our Multiplying Volume Styling Mist. This styling multitasker uses marine plumping complex to create lasting volume from the roots to the ends with a touchable, soft feel. I'll spray 3 to 5 pumps to Joanne's towel-dried hair and style as desired. Today, we will give Joanne a full voluminous blowout. This multitasking styler is clinically proven to instantly deliver more fullness and volume, adds flexible hold and shine, and it thickens and strengthens the hair. And there you have it, a full voluminous style featuring our Caviar Anti-Aging Multiplying Volume collection.